What's up, guys? It's the Blue X here, and today, it's the first Nerf review for like a series of thousands of Nerf guns. It is Christmas Day, and well, let's get into this. Anyways, so it's an end strike module, from what I see. Yeah, this thing. Build your own blaster. It comes with bullets. Oh my gosh, this big. And well, it looks really cool. But anyways, Merry Christmas to you all. It's like a build your own blaster. Yeah, it's a module. That's what it says. It comes with 10 bullets, a really cool dart holder, whatever you call it. It doesn't come with a stand. Whatever. But it comes with the scope. Comes with the little trigger, of course. Great, I have to power this with batteries. Yay! 4 of them. Duracell. Exclusively. Alright, assemble your own gun. It's the ECS-10 and over 1,000 full combinations with full system combinations of system. I'm not going to read it because it's in a different language. Oh, it's a Modulus. Stealth OP upgrade kit, strike and defend upgrade kit, long range upgrade kit, and flip cup upgrade kit. Those are, and then the darts can either go about 87 to 96 feet, which is about 26 to 29 meters. I got this for Christmas, and that's basically it for today. See y'all guys later, and have a holly jolly Christmas and a happy New Year. It's Nerf or nothing.